Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, technical details of TIA AV with impressive range. The Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 exhibition at Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh has provided more information about India's tactical interdiction and attack air vehicle. This low observable multi-role autonomous unmanned aerial vehicle is currently under development by Bangalore-based New Space Research and Technologies Private Limited for the Indian Air Force. Next, INS Kolkata arrives in Jakarta. BrahMos missile system showcased to Indonesian naval officials. The Indian Navy's INS Kolkata D-63, the lead ship of the Kolkata-class destroyer, made a significant stop at Tanjung Priok port in North Jakarta. This visit carries important implications, especially in the context of promoting the BrahMos supersonic missile system, a collaborative Indo-Russian project. Next, video of Hardeep Singh Nijjar's killing shows coordinated attack. At least 6 men and 2 vehicles were involved in the killing of Canada-based pro-Khalistan hardliner Hardeep Singh Nijjar outside a Gurdwara in British Columbia in June, according to a video reviewed by the Washington Post and witness accounts, suggesting a larger and more organized operation than has previously been reported. Next, securing 227.65 crore order for anti-drone systems. Zen Technologies Limited, a leading player in the defense technology sector, has witnessed a significant boost in its shares, rising by 4.36% following the announcement of a substantial order from the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. This development underscores the company's growing influence in the defense industry. Next, partnership between US-India is vital for stability in Indo-Pacific. US Army Chief of Staff General Randy George on Tuesday said the partnership between the US and Indian Army is vital for stability in the Indo-Pacific, and the relationship between the armies is strong and growing stronger. General George, along with 17 other army chiefs, have arrived in New Delhi to attend the Indo-Pacific Armies Chiefs Conference. The armies of India and the United States will host the 13th biannual Indo-Pacific Armies Chief Conference. Next, Canada's Deputy Army Chief on India-Canada row. Canada's Deputy Army Chief Major General Peter Scott said the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's statement over the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar does not impact the Canadian Army contingent's presence here at the Indo-Pacific Conference, and they are here to build relationships from army to army and let both governments deal with it. Next, after Chinese visa denial, Indian Wushu players disappointed. Despite not being able to compete in the ongoing 19th Asian Games in China, and the three Wushu players from Arunachal Pradesh, Neiman Wangsu, Onilu Tega and Mepung Langu, are optimized to perform better in the future and want the government of India to solve the issue. The 3 Indian athletes were denied entry to China to compete in the Hangzhou Asian Games last week. Next, Unveiled innovative combat UAV Abhimanyu. Bangalore-based drone startup New Space Research is making waves in the world of unmanned aerial systems. With its groundbreaking concept, the technology's collaborative combat UAS Abhimanyu, the revolutionary UAV is designed to excel in intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, kinetic attack, decoy and electric warfare missions, redefining the capabilities of modern drones. Next, Indian Army's plan to procure 20 regiments of towed gun systems, that is TGS, in a significant move to bolster its artillery capabilities. The Indian Army is set to acquire a substantial number of towed gun systems, that is TGS, for its medium regiment, a crucial part of the regiment of artillery. The plan entails procuring at least 20 regiments, with each regiment typically consisting of 18 to 20 guns. Next, ISRO successfully carries out CE-20 E-13 engine hot test for the Gaganyaan. ISRO successfully completed the CE-20 E-13 engine hot test for the Gaganyaan qualification and 22-ton thrust qualification. The engine, developed by the Liquid Propulsion System Center, that is LPSC, Valiamala, was tested at ISRO Propulsion Complex, Mahendragiri, on September 22nd. Thank you.